Welcome to my Discord.js version 14 guide. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you're brand new to this. So first of all, we're going to have to install Node.js, Visual Studio Code. I'll provide all the links for this in the description. So go to Node.js, download just the recommended one, install that. If you don't know what an option does, just click the default one. The default one's usually the best, so just click that one. You're going to download Visual Studio Code as well, or your own preferred coding uh, code editor. That's fine. And yeah, so once you've that done, you can unpause the video. You can come back. So first of all, we're going to create a new file. So I have one created here. Inside this file, we're going to right click. You should have an option to open with code, and if you don't, it's fine. Click in here, type cmd, type code space dot, and it'll open Visual Studio in this folder. Alright, so I'm going to click terminal, new terminal. I'm going to type npm init for initialization. And I'm not going to name it, but if you want to give it names, versions, whatever, that's fine. This is okay, yes. Alright, so now we're going to create an index.js. And we're also going to type npm install discard JS, and we're going to do -g for globally because for me it installs better when it's globally. While that's installing, we're going to go to the discard.js guide. You can read the introductions and all this. Well, from here you can basically just follow the guide, but I will do some things a little bit differently. That's okay. Alright, so you've installed. You can ignore all this, or if you don't have a bot, you can go to your Discord developer portal and just click create a bot, new application, call it whatever, create it. I'm just going to use this one. You're going to go to bot and you're going to click copy token, or you might have to click add bot. I'm not sure if they removed it or not. But just click here. Your token should be here. You can just click copy. So yeah, so we're going to go back to the guide. We're going to go to creating the main file. And we're just going to copy this, paste it in here, and we should see Visual Studio. I have the Visual Studio called Dark Theme. Alright, so I'm in the wrong thing. Dark Modern. Dark Modern in here. So my imports and stuff will look different. If you want them to look the same, you can press Control Shift P, type theme, and click reference color theme and dark modern. It should be a default one. So yeah. So now we're going to create a file. We're going to call it config.json. Inside here, we're going to open curly brackets. We're going to type quotes token, and you're going to put your bot token inside in here. Once you've that done, you could start your bot right now, and it would start and it would say logged in, but it's not going to do anything. So inside of our developer portal, we're going to turn on our intents. So we're going to turn on message content intent. So this is just for basic message commands, because I'm not going to do slash commands in this video because they're a lot more complicated. You don't really need server members or presence unless you're doing like something really specific. So we're just going to turn on message content, and we're going to go back to our guide, and we're going to go to command handling. Actually no, we won't. We'll just do the fucking default shit. Okay, so your clients. Here's your event. You're gonna type clients dot on events dot message create. comma, brackets, message. You can do async as well, in case I need to find something inside here. I tend to find it handy to have async there. And now we're going to do if message dot author dot bot return. So this is checking if the message author is a bot, so that your bot cannot be cannot have commands ran from another bot. And now we're just going to do a basic ping command. If message dot content equals ping. You can put like prefixes and things here if you want, but I'm gonna do that for now. Message dot reply. Oh my god, I can't spell it. Message dot reply. Now you can either do curly brackets or you can just do quotes. So we can, in this case, just do pong. Now if you want to get a little bit more fancy with it, you have to do curly brackets and you can type content and then do pong. But another thing that curly brackets allow you to do is you can do embeds. Embeds have to be an array because you can have multiple in a message. So inside our embeds array, we're just going to do a new embed builder. It should be from discard.js. Once you click it, you should see it gets imported. I'm going to create that and then do the set title. Set the embed title. We're just going to do ping and set description font. And we're going to set color to random. Alright, so now once we type ping, our bot's going to reply with pong as a normal message and an embed inside that message. Just saying ping and pong. You can edit this to have actual ping, but not right now. If you want anything else, you can do if message.content equals hello. Just message.reply content hello. Or if you want your bot to reply to @pings, do if message.content bot starts with, and we're going to do client.user, which means our bot. So like if someone pings our bot at the start of a message, the bot will reply message.reply content hello, I am hello, you pinged. So this means that our bot is going to reply to pings, our bot's going to reply to just hello, and our bot's going to reply to ping as like not as a at ping. You can create embeds for anything. When you do a new embed builder, you can press Control and space, and it will give you, like if you go here, it'll give you all the things. It's not doing it now. You can just do dot. Oh yeah, just type dot, and you can see set author, set color, set description. All these should show up. And yeah, you can just create embeds there. This is fairly simple for today. I'll get more complex next time. So once you've done all this, you can go to, well, I haven't actually put in a token yet. This is a pain now. Oh my god, I wasn't typing. I'm just going to copy the token. I'm going to paste it in here. So, our token, we're actually going to do config in here. Change this to config. And down here, put config dot token in front of that, because if we want other things like, let's say you have a very specific channel that you want to send a message in when the bot comes online, you do channel ID equals, so, whatever channel ID, and then when your bot comes online, you can do clients dot channels dot fetch config dot channel. Oh my god, it's not autofilling. Channel ID, I think that's how I spelled it. Yeah. And then do dot then C for channel, arrow function, C dot send, embeds, new embed, ruler, subtitle, back online or something. Now make sure you actually put in a real channel ID for here inside your config, because if you don't, your bot's just going to crash immediately every time. It's just going to say, oh, cannot find this channel or some shit. I don't know. Okay, so right now we're gonna wait for Discord to update. And this is like a one take madness, if you can tell. This is no editing. Alright, we're going to go to this shitty server, copy the channel ID, and we're gonna paste it in here. Save. Oh yeah, make sure you hit Control S to save on all of your files. So your index Control S, don't need to save on this, it's auto saved. Okay, so once you're ready, you can type node index.js. Oh, oh. What? Ah, okay, yeah, it's working. You don't need to change that to uppercase. Don't know why I thought that. That was just my first instinct. Um, that's strange. It didn't. Oh yeah, look, see, parallelogram back online. Right, so if we type ping, we do not get a reply. Excellent. Oh yes, our intents. Gateway intents bitsfield dot guild messages dot messages. I don't like this new way of I don't like this new way of doing the intents, but that's okay, I suppose. That'll be flag or undefined. Okay. Um, and if do at parallelogram. Oh, that did not reply with the right thing, but yeah. Hello. Oh, make sure you put three equal signs because it has to be exactly equal to. It's my fault. Parallelogram. Hello, you ping me. Hello. Hope if I spelled it right. There you go. That's how you create a simple bot. Just mess around with your friends or something. Reply to messages, whatever. And yeah. Hope you have a wonderful day and come back for part 2 and like probably I don't know. No, never mind, I'm not promising you part 2. Go home.